Welcome back, guys. As you can see, I've got it running, but as it happens, there's some more teething problems going on. I'm not sure if you can see this, but hang on a minute, it's probably better from underneath. Yeah, I've got an oil leak all over the floor. I'll turn it off. And funnily enough, it's coming from the front of the crank main seal, one of the new ones that I put on. I have ordered some more, but it's going all over the belts and all sorts of stuff, so it's making a heap of racket down there. But as you can see, it is running, and it's running really smooth, which is nice. It is idling a little bit high, but the last time when I first rebuilt this idled really, really low, and it didn't like it. And I think where its happy point is about 1,000, just over. It's not like a modern engine where it wants to see 800, 900 RPM. This one likes to see about 1,000, 1,500. So, and it sits there nicely, and it'll idle nice. So I'm halfway there. Well, I would say it's a 1 step forward and 2 steps back, but it could be worse. I could be looking at a heap of mess down there, but it's only a seal. So, and please don't worry about the fact of the colour. That's because when I took the front cover before, it just went in there and a load of water got in there. The coolant level has stayed the same, so I'm not really too worried about that. And I won't be doing a sniff test on it. I can't imagine that the head gasket's gone or anything like that, because it's going to be either one of the banks, and it's running really smooth as well. And I've done a compression check on it, so I can't see there's been any problems with the any kind of any head gasket problems or anything. So I'm pretty happy with that. I've just noticed as well that hose down there is leaking just above here. I don't know if you can see that, just above there. It's just seeping out, so nothing too strenuous. So yeah, we're there, it's running, so happy days. But you know, it is what it is. If you like what you see, like, share and subscribe. Thanks very much, guys.